Hello everyone, welcome to this demonstration of Nexi Net's payment gateway integration for Odoo. It allows the secure and the seamless online payment within the ERP. It supports the real-time transaction processing and the instant payment confirmation and the smooth checkout. So here for the first step, I have already configured the database and I'm navigating to the website module. So here under the configuration, you will find one option for the payment providers. So you have to select the NexiNets and here you have to add the credentials for the same and have to set up it in the test mode. And under the configuration, you will find another option for the payment method. So you have to check it this payment method is enabled for website or not. After that, I'm just going to the home page and navigating to the shop. Here, I'm selecting one product, adding to the cart, and proceed with the checkout. So here I'm going to select the Nexi Nets as a payment method and going to pay for the same. So here you can see it will redirect to the payment page and here I have already added the saved card. So details are fetched for the payment card. If you want to edit the same, you can edit it. And you have to accept the terms and I'm just going to pay for the same. And I'm going to save for the approve payment. So here you can see the payment is successful and you can also see one sale order is created for the same. Now I'm just going to the website and under the configuration you will find one option for the payment transactions and I'm selecting the recently made transaction. So here you can see the Airwallex payment is successfully done and one payment reference is also created for the same. It will also fetch the details of the payment method and the journal and one memo code is also generated for the same. So if you want to make the refund for this, so you just have to click on this refund and I'm going to proceed it. So here you can see one refund smart button is created for the same and our transaction of refund is successfully completed. So this how our module works. If you have any questions and doubts regarding the same, note down in the comment section and don't forget to like, share and subscribe BrowseInfo's channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.